Look at me, it's me. Look how big it is in here. Huge. Huge. Bigger than my living room. I don't have no rooms this big. Inside of a Native American hut. Navajo. Made of wood and mud at the Grand Canyon. Huge. Remember, they said there's prickly things even when it doesn't look like it. Those are the ones that are harder to get out because they're so small. I don't know, I had this idea that I was going to go to national parks this summer. Nature, I'm not too crazy about them. I guess I would like it if it was a lot of trees and forests. She said we're in the West Rim, and the South Rim has more trees, and this is the warm side. Oh, wow. Only allow.
When you want to see 2027, you have to book the first week of January.
I'm gonna be careful with your eyes now. What is that? A little teeny weeny one. That's nothing. It must be a bathroom.
What is it?
What is it?
It's a beaver. This is a beaver's home.
A beaver built that?
Yeah.
You're no way.
Yeah.
No. No. Beavers can't build homes that big. Go read that sign over there. You think a beaver built that? Is she pregnant? Look at that big old thing.
Kristen, you want to go into the beaver home?
She thinks a beaver built that.
The beaver built those in the water.
That big?
Yes. Or small.
There's Christian. Tell you never leave your sister. Why do you have to get right down the edge so you can fall into the damn cactuses? Right down the edge so you can fall into them. Right? Then fell right into there. She want to live dangerously. Oh, my apologies.
After the bathroom. On the passenger side is a pink couch with a bath Also, Jack was in my seat, in the fourth seat. Yeah, I will call you back in 2 minutes, yeah? Okay, guys, are here, please. It's a very small pouch.